Sunday, December 1st. We are back on the 1992 F150 again with the brakes. Quick backstory as to what's going on here. I bought the truck about 8 months ago. I had to change both rotors, both calipers, and I was having grinding. And what ended up happening was I changed the brake pads out during the summer. Some brake pads that were actually in the toolbox that came with the truck. So they were brand new. And I put them on, and after I did that, it seemed like I started getting some grinding. So couldn't figure out what it was. Sounded like it was one tire. Changed them both out, changed both calipers out. The grinding is back. And as I was about to give up, I thought, you know, I didn't buy the brake pads that I put on here. So there's no telling how old they were or if they were used or what was going on with them. So I went yesterday to O'Reilly's, picked up some of the house brand. I didn't exactly spend a fortune on these. These are the cheapest ones you could buy. I'm going to slap these new brake pads on here that I know are new, and I'm going to test them out. By the time I get home from work, I'll definitely know if it may have been a bad brake pad set or if I had ceramic pads. The easiest part about these early 1990s F-150s is they do not have slide pins or caliper bolts. The calipers are locked in by these pins. So you just knock these out, top and bottom, you can take the caliper off. The only thing I have a question about is I never seem to get brake hardware as far as the anti-rattle clips. I ordered a set and I got one brake clip. One. Not one set, but one brake clip. So I don't know if they are needed, if they're not. I don't get it. So we're gonna get the camera set up. We're gonna go. It's real windy outside. The Packers are playing right now, so I'm trying to watch that game at the same time. Hopefully I get this done pretty quick. It's a beautiful day outside. Let's get started. See, these are those clips. They just pop into place. All you gotta do is knock them out. Kind of wiggle the caliper back a little bit, and it'll slide right off. Separation. These brake pads look brand new, but God bless, they're noisy. They look pretty good. Okay, passenger side done. I don't like them. The new ones at least have a taper on them. Go get a rag. Get the tabs. Of course. Want to hit the camera. All right, I need to throw the camera on the charger for a minute. So I'm gonna do that, charge it for a minute, and then we're gonna take it out and see if it did anything to hopefully improve it. We got a little bit of life in the camera. It's starting to get dark. I don't want to wait any longer. Let's see what we did here. I'll tell you something funny. I was mentioning those brake clips. So I bought some anti-rattle clips, and this is what they send you for one brake pad. Hey, you know what I just remembered? Wheel chocks. I think I already heard him doing it again. There's a really clean Ford over there for sale. Wow, there's some really weird people out and about on Sunday afternoons. It does feel a little bit better. It might have been those brake pads. I don't know for sure though. I guess that'll do it for this one. Little Sunday brake job. We got everything accomplished that I needed to. Hopefully by tomorrow I'll know for sure if this worked or not. If you watched it all the way to the end, I do appreciate it. And I guess I will catch you next time.